little old lady. Go get the purse. Go get the purse, little old lady. Oh, oh, great. Sydney, get the purse. Go get the purse. Go get the purse. Sydney, go get the purse. Sydney! If I wanted her to... Sydney, go get the purse. Grandma, go get the purse, Grandma. Look. Get the purse. Get in Sharon's purse. Come on, go get the purse. Is this kid a pill or what?
She does, yeah. This is so cute, though.
I'm gonna get you. You look like a little Russian, baby. Yes, you do.
This is good.
Are you looking for your glasses, old lady? Are you looking for your glasses? That purse is bigger than you, Sydney. What's so funny, Grandma? What's so funny, Grandma?
He's getting 3 minutes. No, don't get it.
Sydney. Hi. What's so funny?
Is that precious?
Oh my goodness. All right. All right. You ready to go? What are you looking for in there?
Sydney, give us one more smile.
Sydney.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye. Sydney, say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.